You gonna do something interesting? Can you sit? Oh, okay. How you doing, Slobber? Slobber dog. What are you doing? Oh. What are you doing? What you doing? Lovely. Got junk in your face. Got junk on your face. Oh, dancing. You like dancing? You got all wet paws and getting me all dirty. Let's check your paws. Let's check your paws. Lay down. Lay down. Lay down. You lay down. Silly. You don't want your paws checked, do you? Okay, we'll do it this way. You see those big hooves? You see those big hooves? Got ice balls. A little bit of snowballs. Yeah, you're making just a little snowballs. Not too bad. No. Yes. Slobber. Big slobber dog. There we go. Rid of the ice balls. Yes. Yes. You are a big slobber hound. Yes, you are. Yes, she is. She's my big slobber Valentine. Give me a big Valentine? Yeah, big Valentine. Aren't you? You're my big black Valentine dog. Big black dog. She's not all black. She's got a white star on her chest. You're all dirty. Where did you get into? Did you get into the weeds? Did you get into the weeds? Big horse. Big bear. Aren't you? You're a big bear. Yes. You're a big bear. I'm a sea princess. Are you a princess? Pretty princess? You want to dance, princess? I'm a sea princess. Oh, you want to fight? You want to fight? You want to fight? No? No? You want to fight? She's a dancer, not a fighter. We'll show how Emma gets a drink. You want a drink, Emma? Come on. You want a drink? You're thirsty. Big thirsty dog. See that big slobber? She's got plenty of water in her bowl. She drinks out of her bowl too, but she likes it really fresh, don't you? You like it fresh out the hydrant? You like your water fresh and cold? She likes to drink it right out the spigot.